Imagine I created all these AI videos with just a prompt and I saw the magic happened. Today I'll walk you through on I managed to do this using this AI application I downloaded from Google Play Store. It's that easy, just type what you want to see and see it coming to life. Without further ado, let's dive in. So this is the application I downloaded from Google Play Store, and this application is called AI Video Generator. So this place you are seeing here this is where you type your prompt, then you prompt the AI to create that video for you, and it will take just very few minutes for your video to be ready. So let me go and copy the prompt. This is my prompt. I'm going to create a video using the same prompt. So after you've entered the prompt, you can see mine is much longer. Create an animation, so you click generate. Within a few or short time, you see the video is now ready. So this video was created based on my prompt, and the prompt was create an animation of this sky with rainfall falling and so forth. I also have another prompt here. Let me paste and see the outcome. So this is a busy street with motor vehicles and people moving along the street, also motorcycles and so forth. So you can see the video is ready now. You can see this is the outcome. The outcome is that according to my prompt. So this application does magic within some seconds. With just a simple prompt, you can see the AI is able to interpret and create a very amazing scenes. So you can see the prompt was here: create a lively animation of busy old town street scene during the day with warm stones. Show a woman actively collecting cabbage on the sidewalk, dressed in a simple work clothes. Two children walk nearby, chatting and smiling. With light casual clothing, add various vehicles like cars and motor vehicles moving smoothly along the street. Include background details and so forth. Once your video has been generated, there is this download button down. So you click that and you can see download successfully. That means the video has been sent to your gallery. So we also have, apart from AI videos, we have AI art. This is where you create any art or anything you want. We also have collection. Collection is where the videos you've generated will be stored. So when you want to review what you already created previously, is where you click. You can see this and another prompt I had posted there, and the video was generated successfully. So lastly, I'm going to use this other prompt to create the last video, which you saw in the video intro. So the prompt I had pasted there. So you can see this is the magic which has happened. A woman standing at the edge of the lighthouse with waves crashing against the rocks below, drawn in traditional ink and water. To create amazing images like this, we have amazing AI tools. For example, Google Image Effects. We also have Meta AI, Gemini, and so forth. So don't worry, make sure to click the like button, support the channel. I'll be posting more and more videos about this AI.